let's pass these values here, x, y, and after that let me show you guys. So you know that this is a x and this is y axis. Okay, so from here to here we have this x value, this, and from here to here we have y value, this, and the next point here, which is x plus the z variable, this here, and same with the y. Let me just print this out. This is x, and plus we have this z variable here, it is z, we will put here z, and the another value is y plus this value, here you can see, and it is in the variable is a, not here, we want to put it here, and the next value we, we have to pass is, so let me just tell you what are these variables here. So from here to here we have x, and from here to here we have y. So the first point here is x comma y, and this here we have is x and x plus y. Okay, here we can see here, and here we first have x and then y, from here to here y, and y plus this, what's that, yep, a, y plus a, and same with this x plus z and y plus a. Okay, and in the next value we have to, if you know the css, we have some color codes, we will use that code 0 point, these are just color name, you can try it yourself by changing the colors. And after that guys, we have to type the width of that rectangle, so I am taking as 3. So in the next step, what we have to do is we have to resize the image. Let's create a variable for that, resize, image resize, and it's a directed image, that's why we'll put here this. After that, cv2 dot resize, resize, and now let's pass this image here, and now let's put the size here, that's the size of the image. And after that guys, we have to just show the image, we will use image show and type the window name, let's say image det, you can name it any, and after that you just have to pass the variable name here, and you have to specify the wait key. I know you most probably be confused, and if you are confused, I will recommend you to check my previous videos, it will help you. So for that you can check the playlist whose link in down the description. So we will use 0 here, and then cv2, we will destroy the window, destroy all window. Now let's see what we get now. Okay, let's check what we get. Okay, so guys, I have directed my image here, you can see that. Let's cancel it, and let's now try this. Sorry for this dog barking. Okay, so in this, now we will detect faces in these image. Let's check if the program can do that. I'm really sorry for this dog guys, I am really frustrated from this. Let's type is news, not jpg. Now let's the program, let's see what we get. Okay, it can detect this face but not this page. So I will recommend you to try this yourself. Let's check the change this scale factor here. Okay, the scale factor can be less this, it cannot detect this. So I will try, I want you to do research on this and try to detect this phase. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial I will show you how you can detect faces in objects, sorry, I'm really sorry, how you can detect objects in the video. So thank you and meet you in the next tutorial, and sorry for this dog outside.